Okay, so next is question number 10. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. So there is a ladder leaning against the wall, right? So this is your ground level, suppose, and this is your wall. Okay, there is a ladder leaning on the wall. So this is your ladder, suppose, and it is how much? 5 meter, they have said. Okay. Okay, so the bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground. So this ladder from the bottom we will pull it. So when we will pull, what will happen? This from this the top portion will come down, right? Obviously, if you pull like this, if I pull this one this side, okay, see carefully. If I pull this one this side, what will happen? The ladder obviously will fall down from the wall, right? Little bit, this portion will be moved, okay, like this. So what they have said, let me read all the portions. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate 2 centimeter per second. So we are pulling this one along the ground, okay, away from the wall. So we are taking this direction, okay. So when we bring this direction, obviously you can practically understand that this will come down, right? It's obvious because the ladder's length is fixed. So when you bring this one this side, it will come something like this. When you bring this one this side, this is your wall, suppose. Okay, this portion is your wall, this book, and this is your ground level. So when you pull this one this side, what will happen? Obviously this portion will come down, right, like this. Yes or no? So they have said that this lower portion of the ladder has been pulled with rate how much? 2 centimeter per second. So rate of change of this base is given. This base will change its length by 2 centimeter per second. In 1 second it will be 2 centimeter you are moving, right? That is the speed. The rate of change of this base is given. Okay, means suppose this I will take it as x. This the length is not given, right? This I will take it as y. Okay, so when you pull this one, the rate of change of x is given, okay, with respect to time. With the given information you can understand, with respect to time it is given 2 centimeter per second. How much? 2 centimeter per second. Okay, unit better don't write because in calculation we don't need this unit right now, right? Okay, so when you pull this one this side, we know that the rate of change of x will increase, so it will be positive, right? So with 2 centimeter per second you are increasing the length of the base, right? So the moment you will increase the length of the base, what will happen? The height will keep on decreasing. Okay, the more you will pull, the less will be the height. Okay, now they have asked you what? Okay, this we have understood, the rate of change of base is given, this one, right? I hope you have also understood this portion. Now this will keep on decreasing. Y will decrease. So let's see what they have asked. How fast is its height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall? So that's what they have asked. With what rate your y is decreasing? Your height is decreasing means what? Y is decreasing, right? The height means which one here? Y, right? So y, the height is decreasing. So with what rate they are asking? How fast? You can see here, how fast is its height on the wall decreasing. So on the wall, what is the height decreasing? They are asking with what rate the height is decreasing. Okay, so means what you have to find out? Dy by dt. This is your height, right? And with respect to time, you have to find out with how much faster it is decreasing the height. Rate of change of y. Decreasing means what? You will get negative value, that's for sure. Okay, if it would have been increasing, then we know it's positive. If it is decreasing, the derivative will be negative. So you will see that the answer for this one will be negative. If you won't get negative, means something is wrong there. Okay, so now the question is how you will find out dy by dt. First thing, you will need equation of dy, equation of y, right? First, then only I will put it here and will differentiate this one. Yes or no? So equation of y, how you will make? Now see this one. This is what triangle it will be. Obviously wall is always perpendicular to your ground, right? So right angle triangle, so using right angle triangle, can I make one equation? So this is little different type of question in which equation is not given, so you have to make yourself. Okay, so y square plus x square, what it will be? Can I write 5 square, that is 25, Pythagoras theorem. So this equation I have, from this I will differentiate this portion only. If I differentiate, dy by dt will be here or not with respect to t. If I differentiate, obviously if I differentiate this one, what you will get? 2y dy by dt plus 2x dx by dt. With respect to t we are differentiating, right? And this will be constant, so dy by dt, this will 0, right? Constant, d dt of constant is 0, so you will get this one. Those who have not understood, I have differentiated with respect to t all terms here. So in addition we can split the differentiation, right? So this is your x square d dt of 25. So d dt of y square is how much? This is of the form x square, but see here, independent variable is not same. Okay, if this is y, this also if it is y, then it will be of the form d dx of x square, but this is different. Independent variable is different, dependent variable is different. Okay, so this will be how much? 2y. Again you have to differentiate this y. In place of x you have different, right? So dy by dt plus again this one x square. This is also different. Independent variable is different, dependent variable is different, right? It's not same expression, I mean same variable. So this will be 2x dx by dt. X you have to differentiate again, equal to differentiation of constant is 0, you know that, right? Now we have to find what? Dy by dt, right? Yes, so dy by dt, let's keep it alone. Dy by dt, this let's bring this side, so it will be 2x minus 2x into dx by dt is how much? 2, that is 4 it will be, right? 4x by this 2y will come down, 2y, so 2 times 2y, right? Now they have asked you, you have to find out rate of change of height with respect to time, right? When your x is 4 meter away, so when your x is 4 meter away, when x equal to 4, okay, this we will take 4. What about y then? Now see, if I know x equal to 4, y I can easily know, right, what it will be from this equation. Yes or no? X, if I to take here 4, what will be y? That also I can find out. Once I know this two variable, I will put it here and we'll find out when x equal to 4, what will be your dy by dt. When x equal to 4, what will be your dy by dt. Okay, so dy by dt is equal to minus 2 into, in place of x I will put 4. Now what about y? Now y I can easily find out. You can see, if you know two sides of a right angle triangle, third side you can always find out. So if this is 4, what will be this one? So 5 square minus 4 square it will be, right? Pythagoras theorem. Or you can see from here, 4 I will put here, it will be, oh, I have to find 5. 4 I will put here, so it will be 16. 16 you bring this side, 25 minus 16 will be 9. So y square equal to 9. Now this is a length, right? So square, if you bring this side, it will be square root of only plus, minus will not be there because this is a length. Okay, so y square you will get, first thing, 9, right? So square I will bring this side, so it will be square root of this one, only plus, minus will not come, work, because y is length. Okay, length can never be negative, so this will be 3. So what I will put here? 3, right? So 2 into 4, 8 by 3. So that will be your answer. Okay, so how you will write down this one? Now that might be some of the students question, right? How to write down the answer. So first thing what you can do is, you can mention this wall, ladder. Okay, let me show it to you. You draw the diagram A, B, C. You mention here, let AB be the wall, let BC be the base, and AC be the ladder. Okay, or BC be the ground, you can write. Okay, then again write down, let AB is equal to Y, BC is equal to X. Okay, so according to question, dx by dt is given, right? Dx by dt, this is x we have taken, this is y, this is 5. Again, here also you have write down given AC is equal to 5. Okay, so dx by dt is equal to 2. You mark it as 1. Next, we know in right angle triangle we have to write down the equation, right? We already know that to differentiate, to find dy by dt, we need equation of y. So it will be 5 square, that is 5 square, or you can write down first Pythagoras theorem, a square is equal to ab square plus bc square, which implies 5 square is equal to ab is y square plus x square, which implies 25 is equal to y square plus x square. So I have to find dy by dt. I already know that, right? So always see in this kind of question, what you have to do is always in the rough you write down what rate is given, or whatever information is given you write down in the rough, and then whatever you have to find out, that also you write down in the rough. Okay, then only you will get the idea how to solve the problem using those informations. Okay, so this one, differentiating with respect to t. Okay, with respect to time you can write t, in bracket you write down t, so that the examiner will understand what is t. Okay, so d dt of 25 is equal to d dt of dy y square of plus d dt of x square. So after that I have already shown you differentiate and find out dy by dt. Okay, now next is again special type of question. You can see here all questions are similar. Okay, you just need to understand properly what it is. So see here, a particle moves along the curve. So there is a curve. I don't know what kind of curve it will be, right? But let me draw simply like this. Suppose okay, it might be here also. So they are saying that a particle is moving on the curve on this part. This is a particle, suppose it is moving on the curve. The curve equation is given, it is 6y equal to x square plus 2. Okay, so particle is moving here. Now they have asked find the point on the curve. So if you have to find point on the curve, means when the particle is moving at particular point, they are asking you find that coordinate, right? So we know that it will have x coordinate and y coordinate. So we have to find this x and y, okay, to find point. So first thing, to find out this, obviously I need two equation of x and y. This hint I have been giving you from class 11 only. Okay, to find out two unknown variable, to find out two unknown variable you need two equations. So how you will make two equation? One equation is already there. Okay, you just need one more equation to find out x and y. So let's see what information they have given. A particle moves along this one. Okay, find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing. So rate of change is given, you can see the speed. Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Means if you take x4, your y will be increasing how many times? 8 times more than this one. Means this is given, what is given here? Rate of change of y only given, right? Y is changing with what speed? 8 times faster than x coordinate, they have said. So rate of change of y is given with respect to what? X. If I told you, right, in derivative, this is your dependent variable, this is your independent variable. Means based on this, whatever x you will take, you can find out always y. So that's why y is dependent on x, right? So in this case also you can see what they have said, y is changing 8 times faster than x. Means whatever is your x, your y will be 8 times more than that. Okay, so instead of writing like this, can I write rate of change of y, okay, with respect to x? Here what is the independent? This is your independent variable, this is your dependent variable. right? So they have given rate of change of y with respect to x is how much? 8. Can I write like this? Your y is, I know that if it is positive, y is increasing with respect to x, how much? 8. 8 times. Okay, this is the rate. So I can write this one in this form also. Okay, so they are giving just the question in a different format. This time first you have to mention, okay, let x comma y be the coordinate, required coordinate, you can write be the required coordinate. Okay, or if you want to write x1 y1, if you have confusion with this xy, then you can write x1 y1 be the coordinate, required coordinate. Okay, now you need two equation, right? One equation you can get from here, because see, this is a curve of this equation, so this point lies here, so obviously this point will satisfy here. So x1 y1 I can put, and one equation you can get from here. Other equation they have said your y is changing with respect to x how much? 8 times faster. So I can say your y is increasing, right, with the rate 8 with respect to x. Okay, I have explained here only what is the meaning. Y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as x coordinate. So they are giving you the rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay, it says that it is 8 times faster than a x coordinate. Okay, so from here you can write x1 y1 be the required coordinate given the equation of the curve. Equation of the curve y 6y square is equal to x square plus 2. So since x1 y1 lies on this, you mark it as 1, therefore 6y1 square is equal to x1 square plus 2. Okay, so this will be the first equation. I got it, one equation, right? Other equation I need, is it 6y square? Not y square, this is y only, simply y. Okay, not y square, this is cube. See your expression carefully. Okay, it's given cube here, here y only. Okay, okay, so I got one equation, right? The other equation again, dy by dx is equal to 8. This is also given. Okay, now the question is how you will find out the other equation of y1 and x1. Okay, instead of writing y here, I can write dy by 1 y1 by dx1, right? Why? Because for all y, whatever y here it is, for all y this equation must be satisfied, because they are saying that y coordinate always 8 times faster than x coordinate. Whatever x you will take, y will be 8 times more than that. So for all x y, right? So for this one also, for this point also, y will be obviously 8 times greater than x1. Why I am taking this? The reason I need one equation of x1 y1. So you can see this is not equation which I can solve with this, right? So what I have to do is I have to find x1 y1. So from where you can find out? Now this is given. What I will do with this? Now see here, this expression you have to play with the problem. Okay, what you have to find, I have already given you the hint how to find out and what you have to find. You have to find one point which we have taken x1 y1. To find out this point, two equation of x1 y1 you need. So one equation we already got it, right? So other equation you have to find out. So for that you have to play with the question. Okay, so they have given only this one. So how you will find out the other equation? Now see how I will take help of this one. Now see here carefully. If I differentiate this one, okay, with respect to x1, let me take this one as x1 y1 y1 x1. Now I can get equation like this, right? Because x1 y1 will satisfy this equation. Why I'm taking x1 y1 here? Better not this one. I will differentiate this equation. Let me differentiate this one. This one let me mark it as 2, and let me differentiate. Why I'm differentiating this one instead of this one? The reason is when I will differentiate this one, okay, y1 with respect to x1, when I will differentiate this, wherever you will get dy1 by x1, I can put there 8. If I differentiate this one, obviously this is general form, right? Here dy by dx you will get. Now dy by dx, what value you will put? For all value they have, but if you understand well, obviously for all value here, y whatever, x y whatever you will take, whatever point you will take, for all value it will be same. I can take here also, no problem, but you student might not understand. If I take from here dy by dx, if I take and directly if I put 8, you student might not may not understand why I have written there. So better I will differentiate this one. Okay, what I'm saying is, if I differentiate this also with respect to x, means if I get differentiate, let me differentiate and we'll show you. Dy by dx I will get that side, right? Right side what I will get? 3x square plus 2. This I will get. Now in place of dy by dx I can put 8, no problem. Why? Because they have said y coordinate is always changing 8 times more than x coordinate. Means what? Whatever y and x you will take, whichever point you will take, everywhere it will happen, right? Not only in this point, everywhere, because they have said in the question only y will always 8 times more than x. So here also it will be 8 times more than x, here also, here also, here. So as a general, can I say for all point, means x, y, any point I can take, right? So here also I can take 8. Okay, so does not matter if I differentiate this one. So it's better, let's make it more simple. Instead of taking x1 point, let's take this one only. Let's make it smaller, this one. Okay, let me write down. Let not let let x y be the required coordinate. Okay, given curve is equal to given curve is 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Okay, so I have directly taken coordinate as xy only. Okay, to make it shorter, or you might get confused also. I have no idea now, right now. After you listen it, after watching it, then only will know, right, whether you have understood or not. Okay, let me take x1 y1 only. Okay, some student might get confused. So x1 y1 will lie, x1 y1 lies on 1. You write down that only. Okay, lies on 1. Again, therefore 6y1 is equal to x1 cube plus 2. This you mark it as 2. Again, given dy1 by dx1 is equal to 8, right? Which implies now, okay, differentiating 2 with respect to x1. So what I will get? dy1 by x1 is equal to 3x1 square, right? Now your independent variable is x1 only, so dx1 by dx1 you will get, so that will be 1 plus this will be 0, but here also I have to write 0. Okay, why I'm writing 2? Constant, right? So it is 0, so it will be vanish here. So from this you can see dy by dx1, can I put 8 here? So if I put 8 here, what I will get? 6 into 8 is equal to 3x1 cube. So 3 I will bring this side. Let me solve another page. So this will be x1 cube is equal to 6 into 8 by 3, which is equal to 2. 2 into 8, 16. Oh, this will be square, right? Sorry, this is square. Okay, I am writing cube again. After differentiating, this cube will become coefficient, right? 3x1, this will be 1 less, so square. Okay, So square. So it will be x equal to, now this one, this x is what here? It's not a length, it's a point. So point can be, you know, right? It's a coordinate. So this is x square. So square, when you bring this side, square root of 16. Right? Now this time it will be plus minus both. Why? Because this time x is not a length. It's just a point, coordinate. Okay? x1, 1. So implies x1 is equal to plus minus 4. Okay, this time 2 point you will get, because you know, right, you have to find coordinate point. Now this point can be here also on the graph. So if it is here, it will be minus x1. Here also minus, here plus x1, that is here minus 4, here plus 4. So x value I got it. Now I have to find y1 also, right? So y1 you can easily find out using equation only, right? So x1 I got it. Now I will use this equation to find out y1. So what will be? Putting x1 in 2. What I will get? 6 y1 is equal to x1. If I put 4 here, 4 cube minus 4, let me put first, plus 2, which implies y1 is equal to, solve this one, this will be 1664 plus 2 by 6 it will be, right? 66 by 6 minus, this will be minus 11. So other one, what you will get if you take plus, so this will be, sorry, this will be 62 here, right? Minus 62, sorry. So this will be 2 times 3, 2 times 31, 31 by 3. Very strange. Anyway, the other one will be, it will become plus here, right? So it will be 11. Okay, let me cross check the answer. So your point will be minus 4 comma, when you took x equal to minus 4, what you got? Y minus 31 by 3. Okay, therefore the required coordinate you can write, okay, and when your x is 4, you can write not n, or x is 4, y what we got? 11. Yes, it's correct. So this 2 will be your answer. Okay, so most of question are exactly same. I hope you got idea how to solve the problems, right? These are simple question, you try yourself. Okay, the one which is tough, I will do that for you. Number 14, I will do it for you.